Kaya maganda pa rin yung before.
So most of your makeup artists, I get it, some of your makeup artists, some of your bloggers, am I correct?
Yes.
Okay. So of course everyone knows the importance of a primer. Primer protects the skin from the makeup and also protects the makeup from the skin. Meaning, yung acidity ng skin, mas nako-control because of the primer. It absorbs whatever oil there is, and also the makeup isn't getting absorbed by the skin kung masyadong acidic. So, I guess you know what it means, so I don't need to explain it. So I'm applying mattifying primer on Sol, just a little. I'm just gonna do a little, a quick demo for today, para hindi naman kayo mag-bore. So, okay, usually after applying primer, I correct. So, some people would use a concealer, but for me, I don't conceal. Because if you're concealing, usually na-highlight mo lang yung mga flaws. So, what I do is I correct. When I say correct, I use like orange, green, and yellow, and there's supposed to be violet also, pero madalang ko lang naman nagagamit yun. So, for orange, kasi yung under eye niya medyo dark, so I'm gonna use a little bit of orange because if you see the color, if you look at the color wheel, yung opposite ng color wheel of the orange is purple. So, I'm gonna put a little bit. And I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of yellow para hindi na masyadong yellow. I wanna achieve a peachy color para hindi masyadong orange na orange. Look up, please. So, if you're correcting, isa kasi pag magko-conceal ka, nag-gray if you add a color lighter than the skin tone. So if you correct, you're addressing the flaws of the skin and the color. So hindi mo siya na-highlight because you're matching the flaw with the color of the application ng corrector mo. So there. As you see, hindi nag-gray because you put orange. So you're gonna warm up the under eye circles para hindi masyadong gray or black. Nakikita niyo? Okay.
Ganun lang. Project.
Project na lang. So yan. And then you're gonna blend it a little bit. And with me, I don't really apply a lot of foundation. Kasi dun sa skin niya, parang, if you don't really need it, why put it? Parang magkakaproblema ka lang pag nagmantika, puputik. So you're gonna apply just the right amount. So I'm gonna use the HE foundation ng Inglot. It's good for mattifying the skin. I'm gonna mix some colors para hindi masyadong light. So I'm fond of mixing colors. So pag makeup artist kayo, you don't really need to buy the whole line of foundation. You just need a few colors and then you can just mix it. So pag nagtatry ako ng foundation, the color, I don't really put it here because people don't really look at you from this angle. So I try to put it here or under the eye. So, para makita mo talaga kung anong color, kung nagmamatch ba siya. Sige, just look. So yung skin niya hindi naman masama. So just put a little bit of foundation. Just enough to cover the redness, the discoloration. Kasi the Philippines is a very humid country. So for every country, merong mga tradition sila sa makeup. With the Philippines, parang gusto natin natural look. Laging pag magsa-start ako magme-makeup, laging sinasabi, nipisan niya lang ha. So, nakakainis minsan pero ganyan yung gusto nila. With Arabic countries naman, gusto nila pakapalan. So, you have to also look at your client kung saan siya galing, kung saan siya sanay. Kasi what may not be beautiful to you is beautiful to them. So, you have to adjust. So, konti lang. So also, I don't really like putting a lot of foundation kasi madaling magputik yung foundation dito sa atin. So the more products, the more problem you have to deal with later on. So if you have your correctors na, hindi mo na kailangan na makapal na foundation because you already corrected the flaws. And I hope you don't mind. Pwede natin i-correct yung may marka dito na dark sa gilid. Yan. I wanna correct that. So, kaya ako siya napili kasi I saw that. So, once I did medical makeup on a girl na yung kalahati ng mukha niya puro balat. So, black yun. So, I used the strong orange na talaga. Para ma-correct yung darkness. So, apply ka lang ng orange. If you guys wanna come near, it's okay. If you have any questions, go ahead and interrupt me.
Salt, pwede bang picture?
So, try to cover the darkness. I don't know if you guys can see, but if you want, you can come here. So, diba orange na orange siya. So, I'm gonna use this cream foundation na this time para mas makapal. Ito, Inglot rin to, pero mas makapal ang coverage. So, I scrape a little bit of product. Kasi ito, avoid contamination. Kasi yung iba, gamitin nila from the tube, pero that would be kinda unhygienic. So, with this product, kailangan mo i-warm up sa skin mo para maging creamy siya. Kasi if you just put yung mas light na color, mag-gray siya. But this one, you're correcting the base. Para ka nagpipintura ng kotse na kailangan mo munang i-primer. Yung mga tattoos. So you need to blend the edges. Of course, sa malapitan, halata pa rin siya. Pero, so I use a stippling brush or any parang synthetic brush na may puti sa skin. So, i-ano mo lang, i-blend yun lang palabas. Although hindi ko pa nalagyan masyado doon kasi nakulang yun. Pero you get what I mean naman na you apply orange. Yan. Sa mga tattoos, well, I want to apply some more of the liquid foundation para mas smooth. Para ma-blend yung sa buong skin niya. Sorry yung cellphone.
Ay, sulat ng vloggers, binaliso ka. Because it's so impressive.
So, minsan ginagawa ko ito sa sarili ko pag napasa. And of course, I would apply this pang body na yung rice powder, yung pang theater, just to set it. Kasi okay naman siya. If I had more time, I would blend it pa. Medyo lumalabas pa yung itim niya. Pero you get naman my drift. So, yan. Sige. So, okay, let's move on to the face again. Sorry. Hindi ko kasi mapigilan. So,
na-distract si ate sa pasarya.
distract ako. Pero ang ganda niya eh. Pang demo talaga. So, anyway, we move on to the usually I do the eyes first. Those please. This is a eye primer para mag-hold yung color longer and hindi mag-buo-buo yung eyeshadow and mas vibrant yung color ng eyeshadow. So, you don't need a lot of product. So, wait ko muna mag-set yung mata. So, for the meantime, mag-start na ako sa kilay. It's really up to you kung ano, minsan nauna yung kilay, nauna yung mata. But for me, nauna sa akin yung kilay. So, this is also Inglot. Ano siya? Brow liner. Waterproof siya. So, I'm sure lahat kayo marunong na magkilay. Perfect na. So, natatense ako, pero so, maganda tong gel liner kasi waterproof siya. Kahit pawisan ka, kahit mag-gym ka, it's perfect for theater, for movies. It will last the movies. Yan. Madali pa siyang i-blend. At saka ang dali i-apply. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Pang-cover ng kilay. Plasto wax? Yung ba sinasabi? Hindi, kasi wala kaming ganun eh. Pero ibang brands meron, yung mga theater brands. Kasi kami, makeup brand lang talaga kami. Pero ibang brands meron. Pag binanggit ko lang, baka matunaw ako bigla. Kasi Inglot yung pinapromote ko. Pero alam niyo na yan.
Yes.
Pero minsan pwede mong gamitin yung Elmer's na glue stick, di ba? Yun, oo.
Hindi ko rin alam eh. Sila yung may mga secret na.
So, I don't know kung pantay kasi wala akong salamin, pero let's just assume na pantay siya. A lot of you are into prosthetics.
May kilay ka na.
So you're a blogger. Anong name ng blog mo? Hindi mo rin. So it's mostly beauty blogs. So anyway, kino-correct ko lang yung kilay kasi naglala.
Hawak nga saglit. Picture lang ako.
So if you notice yung gel liner, kahit na magkalat, pag kinorek mo ng foundation or concealer, nako-correct naman siya. Hindi siya yung pag natuyo na wala na. So, pwede pa rin siyang i-correct. So, a lot of you have been doing makeup for a long time na. Wow. Sorry, but hindi ko naman perfect. But anyway, we have to move on. Perfect ko na lang mamaya. So, with the eyeshadow, it really all depends on what you want. Pero, since we're gonna do something more dramatic for her, pag nagmamadali ako, I usually just start with black. And of course, I put a lot of powder under. Look up, please. So with a pencil brush, I'm gonna do a closed banana on sol today. So closed banana, open banana is a French method of applying eyeshadow. Close, please. So what you do is apply deposit color on the edge of the eye. Set a letter B, parang letter B. So you're creating a crease. So konting-konti lang na product, and then you just apply it here. So sa mga fashion shows, it's kailangan mabilis. This is what we do usually. So with a pencil brush, create a crease, like a letter B on the edge. Medyo freaky pa yung itsura niya, pero and then with a fluff brush, you just blend the product that you've deposited, creating a crease. All over the eye. So, medyo may slight smokiness na ang mata niya. So, I'm gonna use a rich brown color para mag-soften. Close, please. And apply it on top of the black color. So, yung iba magre-react na, wow, itim agad. Yeah, but you're gonna apply a lighter color on top. Kaya yun ang base nyo, para you don't need to put a lot of product. You just apply a lot of color instead. So you come up with a brown smoky. And then to create that soft edge, pag-apply ako ng something orange to soften it. So, dito ko ina-apply kung saan nag-e-end yung smoky natin. Para lang magmukhang soft. And then, using the pigment, maraming pigments kasi ang
sticky or parang heavy. Wala.
Ah,
So, hindi siya parang sticky or heavy.
hindi naman Kasi ang konti lang ng linagay nating product. So, yung client, hindi nila mapipil na sticky or oily. So, I'm gonna use this pigment. It's orange. Dahil orange yung damit niya, naisipan ko ganito rust ang gamitin natin. Usually, I say na pag magulo na yung, di ba minsan nagumagawa kayo, tapos parang ang gulo-gulo na, may mga times na hindi naman perfect lagi. So, minsan pag hindi ko na kaya, pinapatungan ko na lang nito, naaayos siya. Please. So, I'm gonna apply in the middle of the eye. Kasi ang ganda ng sparkles niya. Okay. And the next would be the gel liner. Ang gel liner ng Inglot is one of the best. Nafe-feature siya sa mga vlogs kasi siya yung pinaka-black sa market. If you want, you can test it. You can pass it around. You can see for yourself how black it is. Tapos medyo malambot siya. So, madali siyang i-manage. Post please. So, lagi siyang out of stock sa store. Ay, naka-store ba? So, you see, just a little goes a long, long way.
Much good.
Alam mo sa una hindi, pero pag natuyo, forever na siya. Kailangan mo lang talagang antayin siyang matuyo. Kasi pag hindi, wala, magkakalat siya. So, I wanna tightline her eyes. Tightline means, dun sa, di ba pag naglalagay kayo ng liner, pag bulat yung meron pang puti sa ilalim. So, that's not really nice. So, gagawa ko ng line sa loob ng, dito sa loob ng rim. Just look down, please. Look down. Then you just pull the eye up, the lid. And then, ganyan. Para itim rin yung loob. So, yung mga white areas. I'm using kohl liner of Inglot. Alam ko yung kohl, sabihin nyo, ay, nagkakalat ng kohl. Pero actually, no. Kasi, eto, just like the gel liner, hintayin mo lang siya. Hintayin mo lang talaga. It's all about waiting. So, antay-antay lang.
Pero may uling. Yung dumi.
So, meron akong kalat. I'm gonna erase it with the leftover foundation I have on my palette. So, you can always use the leftover foundation you have on your palette to erase whatever there is na nagkalat. Usually, minsan sa mga editorials, pag mabilis na change look, pinapatungo na lang namin ng foundation para burahin yung, let's say, blush on, kailangan mas dark, mas light. So, patong lang ng patong ng foundation. Sa personal, ang pangit niya talaga tignan. Pero sa picture, pwede na. Yeah. Minsan may mga photographers na parang wala sa sarili. From dark to light. Diba gusto mong saksakin ng brush? Na parang, sinabi ka ba? Pero may mga ganun talaga. So, look up please. So So I'm using this brown coal liner naman this time. Gusto ko siya kasi waterproof siya pag natuyo. So kinakapalan ko yung liner ko sa dulo, sa edge, para bumuka yung mata niya. And I love the color of her eyes. So I'm using brown. So I want to soften the liner that I've applied. So with an angled brush, I'm gonna use this color again, the rust. Look up, please. And I'm gonna use this parang mas maroon na color. Kasi autumn, fall, mga ganong colors. Kasi I really want the color of her eyes to pop out. And with the use of a highlighter, I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. Look straight. Dito sa, if you feel the bone yun, i-highlight niyo yun. Kasi sobrahan ko dito sa dulo. Kasi usong-uso ngayon yung strobing, baking, mga ganon-ganon. So I love it when there's a glow sa mukha nung yung mini-makeup ko. So I'm gonna dust powder all over her face. Just a little bit. Hindi mo naman kailangan ipakita na may powder talaga doon. You just wanna have yung stickiness, get rid of the stickiness para pag nag-contour ka, hindi mamuo yung powder na contour. People sometimes don't see the importance of loose powder, but it's very important. So I'm gonna curl her lashes. Look down, please. So there are 3 steps of curling. Yung sa loob, then you go out, unti-unti. Hanggang makulot. Yung iba kasi, hindi nila kinukulot yung lashes. So pag sa photoshoot, kitang-kita yung lashes, hiwalay sa fake lashes. So parang hindi siya masyadong maganda pag gano'n. So yung mga photographers ayaw rin nun. So and by the way, we also have this Duraline. So pag nag-dry up tong gel liner, patakan niyo lang nito, buhay siya ulit. So yung iba, kahit actually kahit hindi inglot, basta any gel liner, patakan mo lang nito, okay siya. You wanna pass it around, go ahead.
You can have it on the chart.
Kung meron kayong dala, gusto nyo papatakan, kuha kayo dyan, patakan nyo. Kasi forever siya bago maubos eh.
Out of stock na yan.
Pero naka-stock niya, diba?
Yes, but
So long? Maganda na siya i-mix sa eyeshadow, para maging gel liner. Measure ko lang. So, you usually do mga shooting or talaga? Saan, anong channel ba?
TV5.
TV5. May mga kilala din ako doon. So, meron rin kaming lashes sa inglot, pero syempre medyo mas mahal siya. So, Taiwan na tayo.
True.
For
I like your
Salamat. Kabuhayan package.
True. Anything.
Pero may discount pa rin sila.
Hindi.
Ha? Ako rin, doon ako talaga, sa pro team ako na. Yan tuloy, baka matunaw na ako dito. Iba na yung nasabi kong brand. So, kilala mo si Ding?
Kaya Megamon.
Oo, Megamon.
Yeah.
Ako kasi nung ano pa nung una pa, hindi pa sila Lux Asia. So, doon ako nag-aral.
Ah. So,
Kasama si Bobby Carlos. Yun yung ano namin.
hindi pa si Lyra.
Wala pa. Open things. Open. So, what I would do is,
Dramatic.
Sarah,
Pak.
to make them bond. Yung
Dramatic.
thing.